Global Used Cooking Oil Market Report, Forecast to 2025. According to MRFR's analysis, global used cooking oil market is expected to reach United States $895.1 million at a CAGR of 4.03% by 2025. During the forecast period, the HORECA segment is projected to expand at a growth rate of 4.18%, whereas the biodiesel segment was valued at United States $473.89 million in 2018 and forecasted to expand at a growth rate of 4.15%. In terms of region, Asia-Pacific is proposed to exhibit the highest CAGR of 4.53%, and the market in the Netherlands is presumed to witness a growth rate of 4.15% from 2019 to 2025. Cordially fill in sample request for more details.